In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix invalid username or password error on Facebook app. If you recently deactivated your Facebook account or logged in from a different browser, you might encounter this error. Long tap on the Facebook app icon on your phone's home screen and tap the I button or App Info. Scroll down to find the Storage section, then tap on Clear Data and confirm by tapping OK. Go back to your home screen and open the Facebook app again. Enter your email address and password and tap Login. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, wait for the code on your device or choose to receive via SMS. Enter the code received on your phone and tap on Continue. Once authenticated, you'll land on your Facebook homepage and your problem will be fixed. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.